Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to build a simple yet effective live wire detector using just a few basic components. This project is perfect for beginners and can be a handy tool for checking if a wire is live or not. Let's dive right in. Here's what you'll need for this project. 3 NPN transistors, a 100 ohm resistor, an LED for indication, a 3.7 volts mini lithium-ion battery, a push switch to control the circuit. Here is the circuit diagram we will follow. Let's start by placing the 2 NPN transistors. Make sure to connect them in a Darlington pair configuration to amplify the signal. Now placing the push switch to the collector pin. Connect the indicator LED to the current limiting resistor. Now, connect the LED to the collector of the third transistor. This LED will light up when the circuit detects a live wire. Assemble detection part with the indicator part. Trim all the excess leg of the transistor. Next, connect the 3.7 volts mini lithium-ion battery to the circuit. Make sure to include the push switch in the positive line to control the power supply. This switch will allow us to turn the circuit on and off as needed. Alright, the circuit is ready. Let's test it out. When I bring the antenna close to a live wire, the LED is lighting up, indicating that the wire is live. Thanks for watching. See you next time.